So this unboxing is 3 graphic novels that are, I think, different ages. So this one looks more like a picture book in a graphic novel format, and it's by Dan Yaccarino, who I think we all know him for. I mean, it's that Oswald, right? We've all watched Oswald, but he's written many, many books. The most recent is The Longest Storm. And so when I got this book, I just thought, like, oh, it's just a fun little adventure. But actually, it's more than that. It has an important message. So the city under the city, and then you see this like little young person and like this mouse. But it's all books. Okay, so in the city where Bix lives with her family, the eyes help everyone. The kids can't even choose what to read. So that's a little ominous, right? It's reminding me of book banning and shutting down libraries, which is happening right now here as we speak. And then one day she discovers this place in the city where she can make her own choices away from the watchful eyes. And there's a friendly and clever rat. And she uses this like ability, like this newfound ability to make her own decisions, to go back to her futuristic city and, you know, learn how to think for themselves. So you can see, oh, here's a page that pulls out. So she's going from this futuristic city, almost like into the bowels of the city, like back to the old city, back, you know, where the people who once lived in the city under the city. Excuse me. And people read books for the first time. And the books changed them. And so now, I guess it's like her against the eyes, like the bots. And, well, they just used slingshots. Wow. It's a powerful story in the guise of, you know, looks like a fun little adventure. The second one is Dreams, The Vision of the Crow by Wanda John-Kehewin, illustrated by Nicole Marie Burton. And this is published by Highwater Press. And this is a girl visions, and Damon Quinn just wants to get through his senior year unscathed. His mother struggles with alcohol and is barely coping with the day-to-day. And then all of a sudden he gets seized by a waking dream and is forced to confront his mom about his dad, who he hasn't met, and is traveling through time and space. Wow, there's a lot going on. So I think this is a Native American creator, but I'd have to double check that. Yes, she's Cree. And Nicole is, I don't think she is Native American. So it is a time travel. So this feels like young adult, right? Because it's a pretty deep themes. Looks great though. And the last one is called Thunderous. It is by M.L. Smoker and Natalie Peeterse. And it is from Curiosity Inc. Media. And it is a Lakota story, I think. So here she's in a magical world with no cell phone coverage, pursued by the trickster Raven. And she is going through the spirit world. So she's up against this Raven, who apparently is like not good, and has to, I think, rely on her, I guess, Lakota heritage to make it through this adventure. Looks like some shape-shifting animals. All right, looks really great. So thank you all for watching. Here are 3 powerful graphic novels that are not shying away from difficult topics. Like three pretty intense adventures is how I would characterize it. So thank you all for watching.